Hi, my name is Patty Gilmartin, and I'm the Director of Admissions here at St. John Vianney High School. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about our enrollment process. If you'd like to apply to St. John Vianney High School, you would have to visit our website at sjvhs.com, click on Welcome Class of 2025, and there you will see our application. Our InPerson HSPT is scheduled for Saturday, November 7th at 8 a.m. Once you apply to SJV, you are automatically registered to take the test. We are encouraging anyone interested in coming to St. John Vianney High School to take the test here. You will receive an email the week of the test with instructions on the test and what room to report to. There is a request for records that needs to be downloaded and completed and sent back to SJV. Once we receive that request for records, we will send them to your child's sending schools. The admissions committee will start to make acceptance decisions the first week of January. To apply for tuition assistance, click Admissions, then click Tuition Assistance. There you will find our application to apply. If you're interested in any scholarships that St. John's has to offer, as you can see, you can click on the scholarship button to get all of the information you need. Busing is offered to all St. John Vianney students. It generally comes from your resident school district. This is the township to which you pay taxes. Thank you for your interest in St. John Vianney High School. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out. We hope to see you for the class of 2025.